Hello and welcome back. In this video I'm going to share you how to set up Google Analytics on our website. So for this, first of all you have to set up Google Tag Manager. So if you search my YouTube channel, then you can find out how you can set up Google Analytics for your website very easily. I just show you my video on my YouTube channel. Just follow this, and I'm in top rated digital marketing specialist. Digital marketing. Okay, if you search this keyword, then you will find my channel, and then if you go to the video option, then you will found in the below option how to integrate Google Tag Manager of our website. So it is very simple video, just you can watch and fix it. This is this one. Okay, how to Google Tag Manager integration in WordPress site. This is the only 4-minute video, just you can watch and set up very easily. So if you set up Google Analytics, then we can set up Google Analytics very easily. First of all, you have to go analytics.google.com. First of all, you have to go analytics.google.com. After analytics.google.com, you will get this type of interface. Then click start measure and write your account name. So our account name is MG Landscaping. Okay, then please click the next option. After clicking next option, you have to write your property name. This is also required. So MG Landscaping, and you have to select your country. My client country is Australia, so I will select Australia, and I will select Australian dollar. Okay, small businesses, and select your area. So service business, so please service, real estate, shopping, other, travel, sports, home and garden is perfect. Then go to the next option. My target is lead, so click the lead and the create option. Okay, so you have to select agree option, and if you select agree option, then you have to go to the next option. Then you will get the interface I accept. Okay, so if you accept, then we need to accept. So after accepting, please click this one. Okay, so after accepting, click the web, and you have to paste your website. So I just copy our website mglandscaping.pro and click here. So just click http, and also name MG stream name is MG landscaping.pro. okay, and create and continue. If you and you have to click the next option. If you click the next option, then here you can find your measurement ID and stream ID, and you also set up your tag. So click the tag option. So here you can see install manually. So here you can see this code is just you need to copy this one, or just copy this number and go to Google Tag Manager and go to the web tracking, and just click the tag option and go to the new tag. After, if you go to new tag, just write here G tag. Okay, just write here G tag. Okay, so G tag, then click configuration and click the Google Analytics and write here Google Tag and paste here, and try to the select all pages and save. If you save, then you will then you can preview mode, if this code is fired all the pages, then I think it will be perfectly working. Okay, so just click this one and try to connect, and if connect, and there you can, the gold tag is fired. So our code is successfully activated. Okay, so just submit and publish this code. If we publish this code, then hopefully goal tag assist, then goal analytics will be activated. Just click this one and go to the next option, and your data is pending, continue home. If you continue home, then you will get found here all the events. So just skip this one, and I will visit another. So your no data is received, just I will visit this website again from another browser, then see what's happened. Okay, so just I'm going to another browser and visit this website, and finally if I visit, then here you can see already I have visited. So I'm going to the next option and check his data is activated or not. Okay, just click this one, and conversion tracking. Okay, and yes, here you can see conversion tracking is active. So here you can see I just use my VPN. I connect my VPN on my phone, and I have visited on visited website, and that's it, show United Kingdom. So hopefully you understand our Google Analytics account is perfectly working. So if you want to set up Google Analytics account, then you can measure how much traffic, how much event, how much session happened on your website. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you need any help, let me contact. I want to be your digital marketing specialist to grow your business. Thank you so much.